Beauties. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day smoky eye halo look. And first of all, I'm going in with my Smashbox Photo Ready primer, and I'm just applying that all over my face. Now I'm going to start drawing in my brows with the Loreal brow definer in color Burnett. And I've actually been loving this lately. This is like my go-to brow product. So that's what I'm doing, just filling them in. And yeah, just drawing out my actual brow shape, and then just filling in any sparse areas where I don't have any brow hair. And then just like in the beginning of my brow, I like to buff it out so it can look lighter than the rest of my brow. Now I'm going to go in with Anastasia concealer in shade 2.5 and like a flat brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and carve out and clean that area out. I like doing this because it gives a lot more definition to the brow, and like I don't have my foundation on yet, so I like doing it before. I used to do it after. If you guys have been seeing my videos since like a while back, I used to put my foundation on first and then do my brows, but now I like it this way better because I feel like my brows just end up looking a lot better like this. So now I'm just getting like a buffing brush and just like blending that concealer out, just to make sure everything looks nice and blended out, nice and pretty. I like this brush. It's a BH Cosmetic one because it's like round and so pretty. So now I'm just gonna get tape, and I'm gonna do this to get like a really clean finish. And I'm just using that same Anastasia concealer on my eyelids as a primer. It's really thick, so I like using this as a primer. And I'm just using that same brush and blending that out. And like I was saying, that brush is just amazing to buff the concealer out. Spun translucent powder just to set everything in. And now I'm going to go with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going in with the color Raw Sienna, and that's my first transition color. And you know, with halo eyes, you want to make sure that you get the inner corner of your eye as well with that same color. And with this eye, what I did is I brought the color all the way to the edge to make my eyes look bigger. So I brought the color all the way to the edge. So that's what I'm doing, and you know, just blending that color in, blending that color in. Then I went in with the color called Love Letter, and I just started blending that in as well. Then I went in the color called Valentine Red, and I also started blending that color in. Now I'm going in back with Raw Sienna just to make sure everything looks nice and blended and the color is still there. And now I'm going to go with my Fix Plus, and I got the color called Primavera, and then I put that on the center of my lid. Then I just got the color Love Letter and just started blending it out again. Now I'm going to go back. I went back in with a little bit of Valentine Red. Now is foundation time. I used the Wet n Wild Foto Focus Foundation mixed with the Urban Decay All Nighter, and that's what I'm applying on my face. Like I told you guys, Urban Decay All Nighter is my favorite foundation. But I just feel like it's too thick on its own, so I use it like mixed with other foundations, because if I use it on its own, it gets too cakey on my face. So that's why I use the Foto Focus Foundation. It's not too thick, it's really nice consistency, so it makes my face look really nice and pretty. So I'm just blending that all over my face. Now I went in with the Fit Me Concealer, and I'm using that in shade 10, and I'm just highlighting, you know, the parts of my face that I want to get lighter, and just blending that in with my beauty blender. Just blending, 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 blending. Now I'm going in with the setting powder, I'm using the Rimmel Valentine'sday matte powder, and that's the powder I'm using to set all my face. Now I'm going to go with the Wet n Wild contour kit, and I'm just going to get that darker color to start contouring. And this is in the shade Caramel Toffee. It's my favorite contour kit. I love it. I've tried Anastasia, I've tried other high-end brands. I don't know why I always end up coming to this one. I like it a lot. And I'm just going to go in with that same Rimmel powder and just kind of clean my cheekbone a little bit, or I don't even know what that's called. Now I'm going in with the Tea Rose blush by Milani Cosmetics, and I'm just going to get a brush, wet it with a little bit of my setting spray, and use the Anastasia It's So Hollywood highlighter, which is my favorite highlighter of all time. And I'm just applying that where I want to highlight my face. And now I'm getting this lip liner. It's from Kylie. I'm not sure if it's Cocoa K or Candy K because it doesn't have the name on it. I think it's Candy K. And I'm just lining my lips. That's my favorite lip liner. And I'm just going to get this Anastasia liquid lipstick. I'll provide the name of this on the description because I don't know the name by memory. And I'm just using this Cargo Cosmetics lip gloss. I'll also provide the name of that on the description. Now I'm going in with this Linda D Beauty lashes and in Style Lily, and I'm just applying those. And I do have a discount code with them, so if you guys think these lashes are amazing. So if you guys like those lashes, use my discount code. I'll also provide that in the description. And I just went on with the Duo Brush On Adhesive. I applied that on my lash, and now I am just curling my lashes. And for me, the lashes is a really long process just because I have really straight lashes, so it takes forever to curl them. And I'm just curling them, waiting for that glue to get tacky so I can just apply it on my lash. So it got tacky enough, and I like placing it in the middle and letting it kind of sit there for a little bit, and then I just go on to the next lash. I do have to cut it a little bit just because my eye is too small for the length of the lash. Then I apply glue to the other one. Meanwhile, I start like trying to put that lash in place and making sure it goes to my natural lash line. So now I'm just going to wait for this other lash to get tacky enough to put on my eye. And you see how the lashes make the look. Like, if I have a really dramatic eye look, I have to have lashes, because if not, I feel like my look's not complete. And I really like these Linda D Beauty lashes. So now I'm just going to smoke out the bottom. I'm using the same exact colors we used on the top. And this one I'm just using like a small, like kind of like eyeliner brush just to kind of get in there. And this one I'm using a more fluffier brush and then just blending those out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the other lash in place. Like I said, I like starting in the middle and then going to the edges and just pressing down with my nails. I think the only thing I like about having my natural nails is putting my lashes, because when I had falsies, I tried putting lashes on and it was the hardest thing in the world. And I'm just applying another shadow and just those shadows and blending it in and just pushing the lashes in place. Now I'm going to go in with my mascara, which is the Maybelline Falsies mascara. It's my favorite mascara, and I do use waterproof just in case you guys are wondering, because my lashes are so straight, and if I use a regular one, they fall back down. Also, I like using waterproof because my eyes get really watery throughout the day, so sometimes, like, if air goes in my eyes, it get like really my eyes are really dry. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Vermeer, and I'm gonna apply that as my inner corner highlight. And as I said, inner corner highlight kind of changes the game up. It makes your eyes look a lot bigger as well, so always try to do that. Now I'm using the Cover Fix Illuminating Setting Spray, and then I'm using the MAC setting spray on top. That's it, girls. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.